All right, we are joined now by a gentleman who I hear was integral to that process, and that is High Court Judge Fred Ochieng. He's joining us live from Kisumu, that is a county of Kisumu, where we just had from Okokusa. Honorable Justice Ochieng, welcome to the program. You're on NTV tonight. My first question is this. The Chief Justice said this would not lock out or disenfranchise the citizens who have no access to technology. But how true is that? How have you safeguarded those individuals? Karuku, a gentleman who's been chasing his land case in the courts for a very long time, how will he be able to access justice?
Thank you very much for having me on your station this evening. What we are doing is going to help that gentleman and everybody else, because we will no longer have cases of files disappearing, because everybody who files a case or against whom a case has been filed will be able to access the particulars of that case from the comfort of either their office or their home. And this, therefore, is a giant leap forwards for justice.
Okay, but then that's my question. How many people actually have access to the technology that would allow them to access the system? What provisions, what stopgap measures have you put in place for those people?
Anybody and everybody who has access to a phone, a smartphone, or can go to a cyber cafe has access to be able to file a case and to be able to serve that case once they have filed it. So it's pretty much accessible to everybody, because we know that even for the issuance of, say, ID cards, all you need to do is to go to the Huduma Center and you get the services there. That is what we are offering people. They don't have to come to court physically, delay, mix with a lot of people, and so on. So it's going to make life very much easier for everybody.
All right. Was there public participation leading up to the adoption of the e-filing system? I remember what happened after the land system was digitized and lawyers came out to object to the transfer online of land documents, saying conveyancing requires their input. Have you sought out input of the stakeholders?
The beautiful thing is that from day one, when we started the pilots, we involved all other stakeholders, in particular the lawyers, the business community, Kenya Association of Manufacturers, KEPSA. Everybody came on board. We have worked backwards and forwards, and the end product is what was being launched today. So yes, there has been great public participation before the launch today.
What about, I know the Chief Justice told us or assured us of the integrity of the system, but you know, Kenyans are not very trusting people. They want to know, where are the servers? If you remember the debacle of Vifaranga via computer and people asking where the IBC servers were they in Tanzania, were they in the cloud, were they in Europe? Are we sure that your systems cannot be hacked and the documents therein tampered with?
Well, Kenyans are definitely a very happy lot, and they do not like trusting. I do not know why. The truth is that we have tested it. Believe you me, we have even exposed it to the possibility of hackers, friendly hackers, and they have not managed to do it yet, to hack into the system. Once you file a case, just like the documents you bring to us in court, you will not be able to access them, to change them at will, because they'll be beyond you. If you want to apply to amend, you have got to make an application as is normal. And we have triple security systems, some in the clouds, but yes, we also have a physical server in Nairobi. You do not need to know where exactly, but we do have it.
All right, thank you. That is High Court Judge Fred Ochieng speaking to us briefly on the e-filing system adopted by the Judiciary.